Important, this isn't investment or financial advice. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose, and always do your own research. Hello and welcome to episode 27 of the Proof of Stake Mining Experiment. If you're new to this series, I invested $250 in each of these coins to find out which one profits and stakes the most. It's been 172 days now, and if you want to find out more about the entire series, please click in the link below. So before we check our wallets, let's have a look at the current market at the moment, and today is definitely a red day. We're currently at a market cap of 337 billion, which is pretty low in comparison to last week. I believe we were close to 400 billion, so we've just dropped a huge amount in the current market cap. There's a BTC dominance of 42.1%, and as you can see, there is a sea of red with some greens, but hardly noticeable. There is some FUD going around, in particular about the seizure of 3 Korean exchanges, which probably caused this sort of correction that's going on. Also, Google are banning ICO advertisements and any other cryptocurrency advertisements as well, so that's probably doesn't help with the price at the moment, but I wouldn't be too concerned. I mean, we've been through this. If you check all our previous videos, we've been through all of these corrections before, and we've just held and bought as well. So remember guys, if you sell at a loss, you're gonna make a loss, but if you hold and sell at when the price is green, then you're gonna make a profit. That's basically very basic terms of trading right there for you. But other than that, everything is red. So let's check our wallets. So let's check our first batch of wallets, and we've got exclusive coin here. I believe if you remember, we had one sort of still confirming, and that did indeed confirm since the last episode, so I'm going to add this one in. And since we've had quite a few stakes for exclusive coin actually, so we've got so 1 2 3 4 5 6, so that gives us a total of 3 exclusive coin that we staked. It's quite nice. Let's have a look at the condensate rain wallet. So since the 5th, we've had 1 stake here of 209.49. Again, pretty solid. Nothing for Neos. Bean Cash, so we've got 2 stakes here, so that gives us a total of 2,000 for Bean Cash. Nothing for Red Coin. Black Coin, we've got 1 stake of 1.5 on the 7th. Neutron, we have 1 stake here, and it's showing as 18 here, but yeah, it's showing as actually 6.01. Syndicate, we've got quite a few stakes here, so let's have a look at the actual stakes themselves. So we're going to go down to the 5th and then count from the 5th. So we've got 1 here, so that gives us 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 times 5 is 45. That's pretty good for Syndicate. And let's have a look at the Neon wallet. So Neon, we've got 0.027. I'm just going to claim this, and that's done. And you might notice that Renos is not available at the moment. I had a bit of trouble syncing the blockchain, so I'm gonna have to restart it a bit, and I'll find out the actual stakes a bit later for you. But in the meantime, let's move on to our next batch of wallets. So here's the second batch of wallets. Here we have 808, and since the 5th we've had quite a few transactions, so let's go in and have a look. So as you can see, a lot of transactions here. So since the 5th, so let's have a look. So we've got 15, just shy of 16,000 here, 17,500, almost 17,500, just shy of 18,000, around 7,000 here. And on the 8th, 16,854, 16,500, 60,790. Wow, this is a lot of stakes for 808, and I don't believe this is normal actually, because this is very many stakes. So yeah, so we've got one for 32,000 here, shy of 20,000 here, 36,000, 33,000, 16,000, and then 7,000, which is that's some serious staking from 808. So that's almost, I'll do some calculations later to find out what's happening with that, but that certainly is a lot of stakes. So let's have a look at Mintcoin, and so we've got 2 stakes here. So since the 5th we've had actually 3 stakes, but this one was a missed out stake. So here we've got 348.44 and then 348.70, which is not too bad. It's quite nice. Spectre Coin, we've had no stakes. Komodo, it's loading, is syncing the blockchain, so I can't really see, but I'll find out later what we've staked. Rise Client, so here we've had what do we have? Nothing. Arc, and nothing for Arc as well. Oh, hang on, sorry. So yeah, so this is American way of the date. So that's the 12th of March basically, and we've got 0.38. It's quite nice, and that's about it for these wallets. So here's the stakes we received as of 14th of March 2018. 808 at $21.81, Rain at $2.46, Syndicate at $21.60, Blackcoin at 38 cents, Exclusive Coin at $3.43, Arc at $1.08, Gas at $1.93, Neutron at $1.37, Bean Cash at $21.92, Mintcoin at 57 cents. So here's the proof of stake league, and despite all the correction that is going on at the moment, Bean Cash or Bitbean is still #1, holding quite strong, still with a profit of $372, followed shortly by Syndicate at $292, and as you can see, their staking daily average is definitely well over the dollar mark. So you got Bean Cash or Bitbean at $2.06, and you got Syndicate at $1.74. That's really good staking, daily staking right there. 808 is still in the third position, I beg your pardon, and that's got a profit of $90.22. Neutron and Neo's coin have gone up in one, I think they've both gone up 1 position. Rain has gone down quite a few positions from 4th to 6th, and I believe that's the price, because the price of Rain at the moment is 1 cent, which is quite a bargain. But again, it's a hyper staking coin, so you know it's hard to make profit in the long term on these coins. As for any other notables, Gas is down due to the price, I believe. Arc has gone up 1 position from 14th to 13th, and Nav has gone down 1 position as well. So here's the overview of the proof of stake. So as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, there's a grand total of pure profit of 3,178, which is definitely different compared to last week's episode at 6,415. So we're doing about a just over 50% loss at the moment. It's not very nice, but you know, this is what happens when Bitcoin corrects. If Bitcoin corrects, it will take all your altcoins down with you as well. So hopefully the markets will pick up in the coming weeks or months. I'm not too concerned, but as you can see, Bitbean is still #1 with good ROI in terms of coins, so 36%, and the same with Syndicate as well, good ROI in terms of coins, and the different, like pure profit wise, it's gone up in so much in value that it's made quite a bit of money. Same with Redcoin, it's doing pretty well, although the ROI in terms of coin is not too great at only 2.57%, but I think the value of Redcoin has gone up slightly as well. So if you're new and you want to pick up some coins, there are definitely some bargains to be had right now. but just do your own research, have a look around, have a shop around as well, and check out the communities as well. As we look at the bottom, so Rain doing a big deficit of $161, so I'm losing. That's a pretty big deficit, as well as 808, $146. Can't recommend those two coins because they're hyper staking coins, and look at the ROI for 808 at the moment. It's 761%. However, you might think, wow, that's really good staking. Yeah, it's a good staking coin. However, it's made me a loss of $146. Komodo, I bought too high, and I'm doing bad on that one at a deficit of $123. Same with Mint, and Mint was regarded as a high risk anyway, so I was willing to take the hit on this one. So I'm doing about a $75 loss. Neos, I'm doing a bit of a loss as well at $23, but other than that, hopefully in the next coming weeks will be a bit brighter. So just a quick look at the Neo and gas overview. So as you can see, the Neo price has gone down so much. It's around $72 at the moment. So if you're looking for a bargain, this is the bargain to be had. I personally might pick up some more because this is a good price. As you can see, so we've got gas as well. So the gas stakes that we received is 0.6, and that's a profit of $12.47, that's the sort of stakes that we received from our $250 investment. And if you add both the gas and the Neo up, it gives us 883.99, and if we remove our original investment of $250, it gives us a total profit, pure profit, of $633.99. That's what we're doing right now. But I'm still very bullish on Neo, to be honest. I think there's still much more room to grow. It's still very early. I mean, it's the start of, it's only March in 2018. I still believe there's still a long way to go with cryptocurrency. So if you're looking to pick up a bargain, I definitely recommend buying Neo right now at $72. Although I don't think it will stay at this price for much longer. And in other news, Achain is ready for staking. So what you would need is just an Achain desktop wallet, or you would need the Kcash app, which is available for Android. iOS do have a Kcash app, however it does not support ACT Achain yet. I do believe it would be implemented in the coming months. But for now, you would just need the desktop wallet, download that desktop wallet, sync that blockchain, or the easy option, download a Kcash app and sync your Android wallet as well. Let's have a look at what you need to do. So here's a quick look at the Achain website. So always double check that you have the correct address. So achain.com is the correct address, and always double check there's a HTTPS on that website as well. So you definitely don't want to be clicking links into these cryptocurrency websites just to stay safe. You don't want to be sent to a phishing site, so just always double check that. So the first thing you need to do is just decide what wallet you're going to use. So I'm going to be using the standard Windows wallet, as I do, because I just prefer the security from them. But if you do have an Android wallet, then you can download the Kcash app onto your phone, and you don't need to worry about downloading the entire blockchain onto your computer if you don't have any space. Plus, Achain, you don't need a computer running 24/7 in order to stake, so it's pretty good in that sense. So it's similar to Neo. So you just place all your coins into your wallet, and there are instructions on what to do a bit later on. There is a Mac wallet, however I don't believe it's ready yet, because I did download it and it seemed a bit buggy to me. I'll wait in the due course when they update it. However, if you do want to start staking, so where you'd need to go is go into library and then go into announcements. So now you're in announcements area, so you want to click this link here to view the Achain loyalty program. So this is the thing that you need for staking basically, and it will say, oh okay, it will take you to another link, which is not great actually, but here we go. So just double check that web domain again, achain.com, looks good to me. So all your instructions are here. Basically what you'll need to do, once you have your ACT tokens in your Achain PC desktop wallet or your Kcash mobile wallet for Android, all you need to do is just send one ACT to this address, and that's it, and you'll be signed up for staking basically. All your instructions are here. It's really easy to do. You shouldn't have too much trouble doing anything. But if you are still experiencing issues, just go to their Telegram. The links are all on their website, so they should be able to support you right there. So here's a quick look at the actual Achain wallet. As you can see, the blockchain is still downloading, it's still syncing, and it's taking quite a while as well. So do expect that. If you want a faster approach, then just use your Android wallet. Unfortunately, iOS users, you're going to have to use one of these wallets. But as it's downloading, I can't really use the wallet at the moment, but I can show you around. So you have a home, you got this bill section. I'm not too sure what these bill sections is as well, but once I've placed all my ACT tokens in here, I'm going to send one out to that loyalty program, and that's basically it. You don't need to keep the wallet open, you can actually just close it down. That's pretty much it for this wallet. So as you can see, if I go into transactions, it just asks me to wait for the sync to actually happen, but the wallet itself, it looks pretty clean actually. It's not too bad actually. It does look nicer in comparison to the standard QT wallets. So that's about it for this. So that's all we have time for this episode. Give me a thumbs up if you like this episode, subscribe for more updates, and you can always tweet me at AlphaCrypto8, or you can click on the Discord and you can just join in the conversation. The link is in the description. So that's me done. Alright guys, I'll see you later.